Guys, I want to do another quick do-it-yourself install on the RS. So I picked up some LED reverse light bulbs. You can see this is the stock 921 and this is the LED. So I was thinking about tinning the reverse light housing there, and before I did that though, I wanted to make sure I had something that was at least brighter than stock so I could still get some light output. So just going through installing the LEDs first. So what you first have to do is there's this little door here, just pinch, and that comes right out. And you're gonna see there's this tab right here. You might be able to get it by hand. If not, I recommend just grab any type of pliers. I just have some needle nose here, and get it on both sides so you don't crack it. Gets it started just like that. Give this a couple twists. Hold on to it so you don't drop it, so you don't have to go fishing for it in behind all these panels. So that's one. And then there is another one right there. Okay. So once you have those two caps off, then you just have to work out the taillight. It will pop off here. There's a little nub that's in right here, and it's press fitted. So you got to try to just give it a wiggle because you don't want to crack the housing or break off the tips around here. So you're going to put two hands on it, which I'm going to need. Wiggle it around until you can pop out the taillight. Okay, so we have the taillight off. If you look through here, you can see that the one on the right is for the turn signal indicator. So it's going to be the one right here on the left. So take the taillight, and it's going to be this one right here. Give it a quarter turn. It's going to pop out. You see this 921 bulb. I'm going to pull this one out. So then once you have the new bulb, you're going to pop this in. Now the only thing with the LEDs is that there is a positive and negative side and they're not marked. So you're going to put it in one way and then you're going to have to test it. So I recommend don't tighten the taillight all the way. Put it in if you're doing it by yourself and then take a video of it like I had to do, or if you have another person around, just put it in reverse and have them watch, give you the okay. So let's hope that we got it right. We're going to put this in. Line that back up, quarter turn, puts it back in, nice and snug. Then I'm going to just reconnect the taillight pigtail and pop it in, and we're gonna test it out. Once you have the LED in and it's in working order, which I checked it is, you just line up the holes, push this right back in, that snaps in. And then you're going to reinstall these two retaining clips and you're all good to go. So hope this helps anyone out.